We are using the V-ZUG Combi-Steamer to cook a tasty club sandwich. With the function hot as steam at 230 degrees, we're going to get crisp potato chips. We have some bacon, some prawns which we crumbed with cornflakes and breadcrumbs. We have some toast, avocado, tomatoes and lettuce, some egg, coleslaw and Mango-Aioli. First we have to preheat the oven. We go to the main button, turn it on, select hot as steam, temperature 230 degrees, and we start the process. We're going to set the time to 20 minutes and we're going to set ourselves a reminder in 10 minutes to put in the next items. We set ourselves another reminder in 3 minutes to put in the toast. Hot as steam, you get steam hotter than 100 degrees. So we're talking about superheated steam. This will not make your food soggy and wet, but will crisp it up much more rapid and gives you a nice crust on the outside as well. Okay, one club sandwich coming up.